In Sofia, at the Institute of Mathematics and Informatics of the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences, a new presence in world mathematics has taken root. The International Center for Mathematical Sciences, ICMS. Though young, ICMS was born of long preparation. Blagovest Sendov had long argued that Bulgarian mathematics deserved an international stage. Julian Ravalsky, as IMI-BAS director and later president of the Academy, helped turn that vision into an institutional pathway. By December 2018, that vision converged with opportunity. A pivotal meeting with Krasimir Valchev, Minister of Education and Science, offered official recognition. At the same time, Lyudmil Katsarkov gave the project scientific direction, and Yuri Chinkel of the Simons Foundation shared his experience in shaping institutes abroad. What emerged was a foundation, political, intellectual, and institutional. In 2019, ICMS was formally launched at BAS. Sendov became its first director. Oleg Mushkarov, a senior voice in Bulgarian mathematics, helped structure the new governance. Soon after, Velichka Milusheva took on a leading organizational role, ensuring that programs, conferences, and international collaborations would be carried out with rigor and continuity. With Katsarkov's intellectual leadership at the helm, these figures gave ICMS both legitimacy and momentum. Support flowed from two pillars. The Bulgarian Ministry of Education and Science provided national commitment. The Simons Foundation granted targeted funding, making possible postdoctoral fellowships, conferences, and research groups. Special acknowledgement is due to David Spergel, president of the Simons Foundation, whose leadership sustains international mathematical networks, and to Jeffrey Fuqua, whose long support of IMSA strengthened the ecosystem that made ICMS possible.
We are especially grateful to Simons Foundation, and especially to Yuri Chinkel and David Spergel for the constant attention to the center and financial help. We will definitely promise to make them proud. And of course, constant attention from the Bulgarian government and financial help as well.
By 2020, ICMS had joined the IMSA consortium, IMSAC, an alliance linking Miami, Sofia, Vienna, and partners across the globe. It became part of a living network of international mathematics.
This connectivity is really critical for the functioning and all the good things that the global math community is able to do. The unity of mathematics is an important role of institutes such as IMSA and ICMS, and also to connect it as scientifically to other areas of science, and especially physics, but also other areas.
I'm a member of advisory committee. I know very well what is going on because I participate in discussion of new members. I hope it will be open new areas, will be new permanent members and new groups. I think it will be just major center on European level, yeah, not only in Balkans, yeah.
The programs quickly reached world stage. Distinguished lectures brought to Sofia Terence Tau, reflecting on Sendov's conjecture, Marina Vyazovska, speaking of higher spheres, and Maxim Kontsevich, unfolding new perspectives on geometry. Alongside these, workshops in Hodge theory, mirror symmetry, and stochastic processes placed Sofia on the map of contemporary mathematical debate.
We have had the privilege to involve in our activities 4 Fields medalists, Maxim Kontsevich, Andrei Kunkov, Terence Tao, and Marina Vyazovska. And I would say that our efforts have been highly valued by both the Simons Foundation and the Bulgarian government.
By 2024, a new Simons grant secured ICMS's future. 3 long-term research chairs were established. The theory of atoms, shaped by Katsarkov, seeks new structures in birational geometry and mirror symmetry. Quantum groups and cluster algebras, led by Milen Yakimov, explores Hopf algebras and representation theory. Topological, computational, and algebraic aspects of complex systems, with Ernesto Lupercio bridges geometry with computation and complexity. Within these programs, a remarkable cast of researchers, young mathematicians such as Leonardo Francisco Cavanaghi, Mikhail Shkolnikov, and Emine Yildirim, together representing the emerging generation of the first three programs, advanced research across algebraic geometry, topology, and complexity, and quantum groups with cluster algebras. Alumni postdocs from Brazil, Mexico, USA, Italy, Estonia, China, India, Korea, Russia, Turkey have already left their mark, carrying Sofia into their own careers and networks. They form a growing constellation of talent connected to ICMS. The center also hosts recurring milestones, the Women in Mathematics in Southeastern Europe conferences, the annual meeting of young Bulgarian mathematicians, the Geometry at Large gatherings on the Black Sea coast, and specialized workshops on Hodge theory and Arnold's conjecture. Through these, ICMS fosters dialogue across generations, borders, and disciplines.
The qualities which are decisive for such institute is, of course, to be reactive, to be agile, to be able to connect quickly to people, and also to plan events which make people feel that they must be there because there will be a lot of things happening.
Today, ICMS Sofia stands on firm institutional foundations, supported by the Ministry of Education and Science and the Simons Foundation, and guided by the vision of distinguished mathematicians. Foremost among them, Katsarkov, whose leadership has given coherence to its scientific direction, while colleagues such as Ravalsky, Milusheva, Yakimov, Lupercio, and many others carry forward its programs with dedication and imagination. Its proof lies not only in theorems, but in the culture it creates, a culture of collaboration, openness, and shared imagination.